As audiologists, we don't just test hearing, we see the unseen effects of hearing loss every day. One of my recent clients, a man in his 50s, accidentally approved a 90,000 payment. It was meant to be Orange 19,000, the mistake. It happened on a phone call. He thought he heard right, but the number was wrong. His son brought him in for a check, not because he complained of hearing problems, but because this wasn't the first miscommunication. Now, here's what people don't know. Hearing loss doesn't always start with total silence. Hearing, it often begins with the loss of high frequency sounds like S, esh, sh, or even teen versus tight I. These small distinctions matter, especially on calls, in meetings, during transactions. Mild hearing loss, even just 25 to 40 dB drop, is enough to make voices sound muffled or unclear. In noisy environments, it gets worse. But here's the important part. This is very manageable. We did a simple PTA test at his home, and we identified early stage bilateral sensory neural hearing loss. It didn't need surgery, it didn't need shame, just a small intervention and some awareness. That's the difference a free hearing test can make. If you or someone in your family is asking Han too often or guessing through conversations, let's not wear 90,000 mistake to act. Zenaud offers free hearing tests at home with empathy and clarity.